Hello, dear friends. We welcome you to a series of public lectures about Ukraine. Eye Opener on Ukraine is a new project run by the School of Ukrainian Language and Culture at the Ukrainian Catholic University in Lviv. The project aims to share public lectures on the history of the creation of Ukraine as a state and its achievements over the past 30 years. You will also learn about the history of Ukrainian language, as it is an important tool that has shaped our identity. These lectures will offer you a comprehensive overview of the chain of historical events that led to the recent aggression of the Russian Federation against Ukraine. During this series of lectures, you will have an opportunity to analyze the ideological contexts the Russian authorities and propagandists used to justify the war, and also to get a short overview of the key events of the Russian war against Ukraine, the war that started on 24th of February 2022. We will discuss Ukraine's participation in the world wars and the current ongoing war, the Ukrainian revolutions, the Orange Revolutions in 2004 and the Revolution of Dignity 2013-2014. And of course, we'll discuss other topics that relates to Ukraine's current situation and shows information about Ukraine in general. The lecturers are professors at the Ukrainian Catholic University, as well as famous historians, philologists, political scientists, writers, and social activists, all of whom are ready to share their knowledge about Ukraine, as well as experience of living in the country during the war.
So, how can you join our course? Visit our website, studyukrainian.org.ua, fill in the application and get access to the video course. We will begin the course with 4 lectures and will update you as we add new lectures to the series. When you sign up to the course, you may also like to make a donation to support Ukraine financially. For more details, please visit our website. Join us. Let's discover Ukraine together. Слава Україні! Героям слава!